Welcome, Akshata, to On the Road with Shaurya Verma.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, I think we're sitting a bit too close.
Oh,
Like
yeah,
we're closer than
yeah.
maybe.
We- yeah, we're friends like that. More like you're my school senior.
Yeah.
For legal purposes, I
I still
can't.
am.
Yeah, well, I'm not in school anymore.
We can literally see our school from right here.
Good times. Good times. You didn't notice me much in school, did you? Like as a person either.
I don't think I noticed the second floor in in general. We were on the third floor. But in school, you were in Noble.
Yeah, Noble House. Yellow
That's
House.
why. That's the main reason.
Mm-hmm.
That's the
Yellow
main reason.
was hard to see in
No,
the sun
they
or
were
something.
trying too hard to be seen.
Ach, yeah. I
And
think.
I didn't like that because
Mhm.
Prudence, we were the underdogs. We were like the rejects actually.
Yeah, no one
There
really
was no
cared.
there was no cohesive like theme to
Yeah.
Prudence.
What were you guys good at?
See, there would
Just.
be one person that's good at something, and
Mm-hmm.
there'd be one person that's good at something else.
Mm-hmm.
Together, nothing.
Nothing. Like very individual, self-focused
Yeah, I
kind of
was
a
good
thing.
at like passing time. That's it. I don't think
Just
I
got by.
contributed anything
You used to sing. You used to sing in school. Like
in
you
a
had in
choir
the
of
choir.
40 people
They
where
actually
house didn't matter.
they actually used to have like this what auditions where they would be like, oh, alto, soprano, and they would put us
Huh?
together, but it all sounded the same in the end. But we did interact in school. Like I remember last make them when you were leaving for your
When I
farewell.
was leaving the
Yeah,
school, then that's when we interacted in school.
yeah,
That's a bit peak.
yeah. That was. I mean, it was a very good memory for me because I was like, oh, she's cool. Because you used to never talk in school. Like I never saw you smile ever in school. So
Yeah,
it was
very
good.
true to myself.
Yeah.
Those were my truest days.
Yeah.
No, but in Wisdom, the school was not nothing special,
Mm-hmm.
but they didn't give us a childhood really.
They.
Like the way I see school and the way we see school
Mm-hmm.
is very bland. It doesn't have color. Like
Yeah.
our walls had the most colors of all the schools in Pune,
Mm.
but no life, nothing. Tell me one story you have from Wisdom where you did something very schooly. I don't even know what an example
Schooly.
is.
I can. I can't think of anything like schooly, but I can tell you something unschooly I did. I remember. Do you remember? I can't say her name, but
Yeah.
that one maths teacher we had
Mm-hmm.
who she was
She was
like,
a newbie.
yeah,
Yeah,
she was
yeah.
on the younger side as well. Like she
Hmm.
was probably like 26 or 77 or something.
That relevant, huh?
But
Say,
like because
say.
getting to it, so then she used to see I was a talkative kid, I think,
Hmm.
to say the
I wouldn't
least.
know.
Yeah, you wouldn't, yeah. But I used to get in trouble a lot, and but nothing crazy trouble. Like not that
I know
I would be
nothing is
taking
crazy trouble in Wisdom. It's like you walk out of line during break time, you are in trouble. Like
collar
XY,
collar
that
button,
coordinator, she's gonna call you to her
and,
office.
and
And
just
yeah.
she would just be disappointed.
Yeah,
She'd be
just like
like,
we have like assaulted someone, that kind of a impression we would get.
yeah, yeah. It would
I think
be.
the biggest scandal we had was someone had what leaked papers like from the staff
Oh
room. That
yeah,
was like the biggest and only scandal. Only.
and like three, four
Nothing more.
people got caught up in
Yeah,
that,
yeah,
right?
yeah. The whole batch only got caught. Like the whole 10th grade ka jo pehla
Yeah.
batch tha.
What he got into the school, took pictures, and then like
Yeah, I think it was like an extra day on a Saturday. School ko
yeah,
bulaya tha and then he picked in the staff room. And to
um,
be fair, staff room is quite open. Like
it was just there.
it was
Like
there open.
they had maybe one key, and I think it was such a flimsy cupboard he could have just broken it. And what was the eighth grade chemistry paper or something? It wasn't even
No, no, it was their final year in school. I don't 10th grade hi rahega.
the tenth grade के लिए what boards थोड़ा ना they had
Both
the
nahi, but
paper.
our exams were
They were
also
on that level.
yeah.
Yeah.
They were if not worse.
We had 9 exams or something. Like we had an exam every month, right? Is that
Yeah.
how normal
Every one and
schools
a
do?
half month we had. Like
Yeah.
every unit had 4 exams. So we had
And
8 exams.
yeah, is that how normal schools did? Again, I
I
don't
don't
think we
know.
would know.
I didn't have friends also outside school.
Yeah, it was very. I mean,
And the friends you know are in your society. And they're the
exactly.
same people who go to the school.
Yeah, it
So
was a very self-contained
we
environment.
all were living in a bubble.
Just-
Full.
yeah, I didn't do happy streets and all these things for till like ninth grade or something. Like I had never been. I didn't. I
Yeah.
wasn't aware of the
Mm.
world outside.
Yeah.
I mean, maybe you probably had.
Happy streets. So that was.
Back then, it was
It
a huge.
was like high.
It
It
was
was like how we go out at high. So let's.
yeah,
That was high, but at 6 a.m.
yeah,
with a dance instructor. On.
yeah. Happy streets. Though I never went much, but like coming back to my story, you interrupted me. The most unschooly thing. Why are you laughing? Well, most unschooly thing I did was this teacher would keep picking on me. So then one day I just got up as she was picking on me. I said, "Why do you only look at me? Why do you keep attacking me? There are three people else who are talking. Why just me?" And I shouted a lot. And then eventually she started crying.
Huh?
Yeah, she started crying, and then she left the class, and then eventually the school. And that's why I could never be head boy. That's what our principal
I don't
told
think
us.
that was pulling you.
I
from
won
head
by
boy.
votes. Your entire
Yeah,
batch voted.
of course.
But like that
Was
was
it only on votes? The teachers had to choose, right?
teachers.
Who was done.
Ultimately, they did, yeah. But eventually, like they did
Hmm.
have the voting thing to show democracy or something. But
I didn't see y'all
it was
campaigning
a
for sure.
robbery. We didn't have to campaign. It was
Then-
just like we had to just go on stage. I think you guys had an exam or something. You had just gotten done. Everyone just wanted to leave, and then they made us. Oh no, wait! No, we have 4 people who are gonna come up and give a speech, and then you will decide who's gonna become the next. You don't remember this, do you?
First of all, why would I be in school if you're the head boy?
No, 1 year before,
Oh,
right?
They do 1 year before?
Yeah,
Bro, that's insane.
yeah. I don't know why.
Yeah, I don't even know what the scene is.
And our batch was the only one which had no male or like guy prefects or anything purposely. But
Purposely.
yeah, they didn't want guys to
Achha.
be in power. Anyway. But fuck school, I mean.
No.
No?
But till the very end, they made sure we didn't have fun. Like to us, the
Yeah.
very end.
Like how?
I'm telling you, the most happy days in wisdom was probably like the farewell time where we were allowed half days and the other half day to have fun because we had to perform on our farewell night in
Mhm.
school. Like
You
we
ha-
would like write the guitar, we would like
Oh.
you know all that? Remember we performed on our
Mhm.
farewell. So that's like the only happy moment in this whole school experience.
Mhm.
And we were like, okay, at least ending it on a good note.
Mhm.
We had our farewell night. Whatever it was. Nice. Got out of it. Then we had our after party, right? At
Mhm.
some rooftop
Yeah.
bar. And a really sweet teacher buttered up to one of the students, okay? And we all loved that teacher.
Yeah.
So we trusted her.
Uh-huh.
Asked one of us, ki, oh, where are you going after this? And the girl must have said,
Yeah, this.
yeah. And then magically, the dance floor that we had booked for our own self, like for all
Mhm.
40, 50 people
the
of
entire
us,
batch. Yeah.
was suddenly shut. We literally like had everything sorted, like the drinks, like it was some like buffet type situation, but it was just then us eating on the rooftop with no dance floor. Like suddenly it's just so
Oh,
we were like,
God.
So our whole night got
Something
ruined.
was off. But you guys weren't going to drink or anything. I think back then were people drinking like or stuff like that. Like no one's going to do anything wrong. I mean that's what probably the teachers. That's what they
I
thought.
actually don't even remember if alcohol was in the scene, but it didn't matter to us. It was like we're all wearing good clothes
Civil clothes. We're seeing each
Civil
other. All
clothes.
of us.
in sarees.
No.
We have
wow.
to make this a night, but no. It was that geography teacher who everyone loved. The short girl.
I don't.
Her name is the same as some sauce. She's very fair, very pretty, old.
Ah, okay,
Ah.
okay. Sauce was the first thing that came to your mind.
What else?
Okay, I mean, like a male person's name was
Mhm.
also, but yeah, fair. Okay, no,
Yeah.
okay. That was cool though. So we actually met in tuition, right?
We did.
How do you think we know each other? Like, do you have no idea how they just
I just
randomly
showed up
started
here.
hanging out?
I just showed up here.
Oh yeah, this is the first time we're
First time
meeting.
meeting.
Yeah, yeah. That's why I had
What?
booked you for like 2 weeks in
What
advance.
tuition?
Arey,
What
the
tuition?
maths tuition we used to go to right here in next to in where you live only are where I can't say it otherwise
It
it
doesn't have the
docks
same
you.
name.
No.
Why you have to say that? You can just say the name of the place without
Yeah,
saying it close
no.
to it.
Okay, we'll cut that out. Yeah,
Yeah,
that
I live so far
yeah,
from there.
she
So
doesn't
far.
live nowhere close to
Okay,
that.
you were there, kya?
We used to hang out after
No, I
school,
don't.
and you would tell me like, I think
No,
you
I have zero recollection of this.
no.
Zero, because I was crushing on a boy there. So,
Exactly. I think that's what we used to talk about
no,
then.
I would
No,
never talk. Oh wait, we used to, because we
right
were in the same
outside.
school as him.
Exact.
Ah, see, everything's adding up.
So when what is your first memory of us hanging out like out?
None,
Damn.
none. I only, you know what? Straight it cuts me to. When we had a common friend who lives right here. But anyway,
Ah,
just some random meet. I don't know
yeah.
how we got to
There was
meet.
no like
I think
iconic meeting
never.
or
I think it just transitioned. I would see him, and then
yeah.
we would meet.
That's sweet. That's very sweet.
Oh.
That was okay, fine. That was also not I think. Then we started hanging out online through
Mhm.
Among Us in
That
COVID.
I remember.
COVID mein when we
Yeah,
used to and we had this server where all of us would
and it
play.
was my server,
Yeah.
and I was very proud that it was my server
It
because I
still
got.
exists.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, so and it had like random people on it, which is very scary for me as a concept who does like I Discord
Like
crazy.
you would get on a call every night for 2 to 3 hours with random people.
Minimum 2 to 3 hours, and always doing this demon hours where
Mm.
where you're not supposed to talk to strangers. Like one rule: don't talk to strangers. And
Yeah.
I was doing just that, and it was crazy.
And
And it was Among Us, and it was the best time. Best time ever.
you look back on it like
Yeah,
with
yeah,
nostalgia now.
fully. And like Sidemen videos also helped
Oh
in
yeah,
that
then you
regard
feel like them.
because it was insane.
It was like I
Like
don't think we can
genuine
ever
fights,
recreate
like
that.
genuine fights with such compassion. Like no one ever gives a real big damn about lying on a daily. Like no one, there's no game that's revolved around lying.
No,
There
not at all.
really isn't. And during COVID, where you're literally in your own empty room and you can lie about anything and everything, it
That's
was like
just
the
what you
best
want.
game ever.
And people would have like they would it was just a competition of who can shout the loudest and everyone's like, no, okay, fine, this guy. He
Yeah,
seems to be more passionate and then yeah.
yeah, and yeah. But I always, not because I was not good at the game or anything, but I don't. There were like these two people who had played so much Among Us with
Mm.
so many different set of people
Mm.
in the single day that by the time they reached the night session with us, which is like 1 a.m. and we've
Yeah.
just started gaming in life fully. Forget that day. Just in life started gaming. Then they would be like, that task wasn't even there in that round. I'm like, how do you
Your
know?
muscle memory.
Who knows all this, yaar? Down, let me download, upload, bro. Shut up. And I'm like, and then he would just out us, and because this like experience, everyone just take their word for it, which they're right, but that's not fun.
I mean, I think
And
after
it was my server. How dare they go on your server?
you would like give up halfway after a while. Like
I'm
someone
wait,
would like accuse you and you
ye-
would just be like, even if you weren't the
and it's
imposter.
always them. And it's always them. And because I'm easy to pick on also now, they would get on my nerves.
Mm. You
At
know,
one point you can't play the card that, oh, I've just started playing. Like that
yeah.
doesn't work after
You're playing
level.
it every day for 2 hours every night. Like that's
I wish I
when
knew the level I was at though. Not that
ah,
high, but has to be
there's
something after you play so much.
I don't think there is a lot of level system, but yeah, it's surprising that Sidemen still play it. Like how is it still
And
like
it's
it get
still entertaining.
yeah, I haven't
Yeah.
watched a single one in like a year or
Oh no,
two.
I've been watching when they began in the middle, began in the starting, out of
Mm-hmm.
nowhere to start Among Us, out of nowhere. I was like, why are they post? This is not gonna hit. It sounds annoying
Yeah.
now, but mad.
It's still you watch it like
Yeah, I watch it
but what do they even change anymore? Like
because Among Us has like gone on crack. Like they have the weirdest roles,
uh-huh.
bro. They have the weirdest roles.
I think yeah, it's like some like electrician and like
There's-
detective and bounty hunter and all
Yeah,
that
there's
kind
a
of.
lot, and then they put it all on,
Mm-hmm.
and it's just bro, and it's just funny.
I mean, we tried to play once, I think in 2021, but
Yeah,
I think everyone got their lives back by that point.
and it's a whole setup, bro. Like you have to be on Discord. It's not like a game you can play in your
Yeah, when it just
alone.
started from
Yeah.
here, yeah. I think, oh god, gathering people. Everyone's like, oh, I'll come in 30 minutes, I'll come in an hour. And there was never, no one was ever on time. And then someone joins in after 3 games and start like, Arey, quit kar dena, let me make a new room and all that.
And then the ping would go high or
Yeah.
something.
Change server, change server, change.
Yeah, but mad nice. That's the only game I have played other than Candy Crush.
Candy Crush. You were like, you were pretty, you used to play
I
a
still
lot. No?
play.
You still play?
Yeah, you wanna know my can you guess
Go
my
on.
level?
Like 200.
I've been playing since 11th 9th grade on Facebook games. So have some respect to my name.
600. How many levels are
There's
there?
any number. Like go any
It just
number.
goes on and
I mean,
on.
I don't know. I
Some-
haven't finished it.
yeah,
but
but
it's-
one day.
one day I will.
What were you on? 600? 800.
Bro.
I'll give
What's wrong with you? That's so less.
you 800.
That's so less. I'm on 15,600.
Not even 1500.
15,000.
15,000.
It's a very hard level though. Like I'm really like it's been 3 days. I've been just on this.
Wow. You're a
Yeah.
gamer. You're a
I
pro
am
gamer.
a gamer.
Play every day. My god.
Yeah, every day. Every day, every 3 hours. Because my lives have to
Every-
get restocked. I have to wait for my 5 lives.
My game that I play every day is Solitaire. Like I recently downloaded on my phone. I used to see my mom play it, and I was at work one day and
Oh, it's such a work game.
yeah, and
It
then
is
it's
such a
just-
work game. That makes so much more sense.
I was at work. I had some time to kill, so I started playing, and then for an hour I was playing, and then I put it on my phone, and now I play it like every night before going to sleep.
Yeah, it is Solitaire. Like all these OG games never go out
Mhm.
of style ever.
No.
When you just need that one weird afternoon of boredom
Yeah.
to get you hooked onto.
Yeah, there's
Solitaire.
no objective. Like there's nothing at stake. It's just you playing.
Oh my god! Even during lockdown, Ludo King was another. Thing.
Oh yeah. If it would be like if
That-
people are bored of Among Us, then
If they
you
we
go.
didn't, if or everyone dished and there's just 3 of us.
yeah,
you play
it was
Ludo.
Ludo
Huh.
and House Party also. I think that's the
I
other
I
thing.
never got.
You never did House Party?
House Party was cool when in like 11th grade when it first came.
Ah.
Yeah, and back then there was a lot of drama also. So people would enter other people's rooms by mistake
Oh.
and it'd be very weird.
There was another app like that, right? Which was just audio where you join some chat, not room. There was some room. It was called Lock, not
Oh,
Lock.
Clubhouse.
Clubhouse.
That was so bad. I never joined it, but
Yeah. But
people
you,
would play like guitar and people just listen to them playing guitar. And I'm like, okay,
I mean, it just goes on to show how bored people
we
were
were
back
really bored.
that day. I mean, fair enough.
I mean, good old day. What else did you start? I started in COVID. What did I start? I started at home workout videos. Those were banging.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then I started Instagram posting.
Floating, is that okay.
And then Instagram posting.
That's when
When did you start your vlogs?
I started a bunch of times. First, so I talked about this before also, but whatever I watch, I want to make that. So when EIB and all were popping, that's when I started YouTube for the first time. I started making skits with my friend.
Hmm.
Then I think 2019, I got into David Dobrik. Then I started posting like his vlog style. So yeah, 2019 was when I started, and now new format. Which-
What's next?
What's next?
What's
Well, let
next?
me put out 3 episodes of
What's
this. Then we. Honestly, I don't think.
You
I-
didn't do the reels thing though.
What reels?
You never did the reels thing. You skipped that part.
Oh yeah, I think you and other people were
Took
very
over.
on top of it.
Acha, so you're like,
Yeah.
okay, I don't wanna ruin their
yeah,
mojo.
let them keep that. Let them have something.
thanks, man.
Yeah, but you're killing it recently on it. Like you started when properly, because first you were obviously just post as a personal account.
Oh, Vesa, I to still think when I started also I was not starting. I was just first it was Twitter, right? Twitter got
Yeah.
me thoda, like push.
Mm-hmm.
But then after that it was just like I have nothing to do. I'll dress up and I'll take pictures.
Mm-hmm.
But then I think last year I told you only that I was like gonna take this seriously thoda and start posting
Yeah.
like like I'll take on brands and I'll say that oh they're good
Yeah.
and I'll wear it and I'll do what they want me to do
Mm-hmm.
instead of like because it's just
Just.
too much work I won't do
Mm-hmm.
it.
But even now, I think as I've told you this a lot, and like the content that you put, it doesn't seem like you're trying too hard. It's just like this is who you
Yeah,
are.
because I'm not good at it.
What?
No one understands oh she's selling something.
This is not just your aesthetic. This is just like your.
No, I'm just so incognito. I'm so
Mm-hmm.
mysterious.
Yeah, honestly, because if someone was to meet you before they know your, like, if they don't know you're like an Instagram, like how big you are, then they'll be like, yeah, I don't think she's really into the whole social media game and all.
Yeah, and you know why I think it is?
Why?
Not because I don't like it or I hate it
Mm-hmm.
or anything. I just feel like I'm out of touch with it.
Oh.
Like, you know, when you're in a community of people that do the
Mm-hmm.
same thing, you are always thinking about it and you're
Mm-hmm.
up to date with what's happening.
Yeah,
I don't
you
have
don't.
that. I
Ah.
could, but even if I could, it's Pune. It's gonna be like maybe 3 people,
Yeah.
and if you're not actually friends with them,
Mm-hmm.
then it's not gonna be an actual community. It's just like you just know of them, right?
Yeah.
So the only reason I'm just like when people like if anyone talks to me about it, I'll be like, yeah, I just feel like it's a thing I'm doing more than
Mm-hmm.
some job because I
Yeah.
don't have because in the job you have people who do it as well, right?
But then but do you but you actually like doing it? It's just like, okay, this is like something that I do anyway. I'm just gonna keep doing it like
Now
that.
I like it, I
Now you're
guess.
into it like properly.
Yeah, because I'm getting the hang of it, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I just yeah, I just feel like there aren't that many people around me that
At least in Pune.
Pune.
Like,
Yeah, Pune for sure.
yeah.
Because sometimes I meet my friends from like let's say Delhi
Mm-hmm.
and doing the same thing. Better
Yeah.
of course because they're in that community
Yeah,
only, na?
they're always talking about, always
Yeah.
thinking about this, and yeah.
Most of the times in Pune, like not most, 90% of the time in Pune is mostly like, oh, let's get ready and let's meet to drink. There's
Yeah,
nothing more
pretty much.
pre and after it.
And then
But
you're.
instead, same thing if you're a community of influencers,
Mm-hmm.
then their whole thing is okay, I'm going out. I'll do like a get ready with me before leaving. I'll
Mm-hmm.
get some pictures at the event
Yeah.
and I'll edit once I come home or something. But I don't like because no one around me. Neither do I. That's why I don't have it.
Yeah. When did the brands and all start reaching out to you? What, like
I
follower
would
count?
say when I was not even trying,
Mm-hmm.
it was 2 years ago.
Oh.
2.5 years ago, I wasn't even trying. I think I would follow a trend, post that, and it
Mm-hmm.
would go viral. There was no
Yeah.
thought behind it. It was just like,
Mm-hmm.
oh, cool. Hai.
Yeah.
And tab I brands, but
Because I think you never even put like the hashtags and everything. It's always just like, okay, that one explore and for you, and that's it. It was never.
yeah, I should try harder.
It's fine though. It's clearly working. I
You know,
mean,
it's working, but it could, it could always work more.
it could be
It
better.
could be so.
Mm.
I just know it can be so much more better, but
Mm.
it's okay.
After the brands thing, then you started your own brand, your own
Um,
label guest list.
yeah, in the this was last year.
Mm-hmm.
2 years ago, I
Mhm.
did this thing with this like this online platform, like
Mm-hmm.
affiliate market basically.
Okay.
Like I would get a lot of brand kapde
Acha.
gift me.
Yeah, they would
And
just
then,
send it. You put it on.
and then like for every order, I would get like a commission out of it.
Right.
Right. And that got me good amount of money
Mhm.
for something that's so lame.
Mm-hmm.
And at one point it got tired because I'm like, how much can I wear the same different type of clothes? Like
Mm-hmm.
it's fine. And I was
Yeah.
getting, and by the end of the year, I got a little burnt out with the idea of buying things
Mhm.
because you just get bored of clothes at one point.
Yeah, it seems the same. Like, you know what vibe, this is what thing I
Yeah,
can
and
make
then
with this. And
because in the pursuit of the brand sending you their stuff that they want to promote, you kind of forget, oh, what do you actually like to wear? Like I kind of forgot ki, oh, what are
what
the
your
clothes?
style.
Yeah, I forgot what my style is, or like,
Mhm.
oh, what clothes I want to wear, or
Mm-hmm.
what I want in my closet.
Right.
Or what, yeah, I was just being clouded. Like I would have a very like specific set to choose from.
Yeah.
And like, okay, what works well for me?
Mm-hmm.
So I thought I got burnt out, and then college was obviously
Getting
a
in.
thing again
Yeah.
for some reason. And then
You s-
my friend reached out.
But like, you saw the clothes and then you were like, okay, theek hai. Because it's like starting a business is a very huge thing. So
Yeah,
You
I didn't
just
take it as a huge thing.
so you just like I
Just me with Instagram also. Like I'm just like I'm doing it. Will it work out? No. Do
but
I like it?
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Like, and the thing is, I didn't take this step to be like, oh, I want to start a clothing brand.
Mm-hmm.
Like in my head, obviously, I was like, I would love to.
Yeah.
But my friend was like, oh no, let's start a clothing brand. And I was
Mm-hmm.
like, it felt like an assignment.
Yeah.
It felt like, okay,
You thought like, okay, she's just saying this now. Maybe it won't
no, no, no.
happen.
I knew it was happening because it was
Okay.
the exact time we were prepping for a law exam,
Uh
which we were
huh.
dreading. And
Uh
we
huh.
both knew in that moment, if
Mm-hmm.
there was any other avenue
Mm-hmm.
we could take other than law, we will take it.
Okay.
And it was also aligning with my own personal like value
Interest.
and all of that.
Yeah.
I was like, okay. So, and then we started like exams were going on. I was still like thinking about, oh, what the brand should be, what our first collection should
Mm-hmm.
be. Like for a month, we just brainstormed
Just
everything,
roadmap it.
and it
Yeah.
was meant to happen because she also, if we had one task to do,
Mm-hmm.
the outcomes from both of us would be almost similar.
Yeah.
Especially where we hadn't even spoken about the brand much, like its branding or
Yeah.
anything, but we knew what it should be,
The
and what it
vision.
should it not be, most
Okay.
importantly. So when we did all the fun part and we got so invested in it that we were like,
You're
oh
like,
shit, we're doing this.
actually, let's go
And
for
exams
it.
got over, we were like, yeah, we're doing
Mm-hmm.
this. So yeah, and but the like when they say
Mm-hmm.
like business like teaches you so much because you meet so many people, it's
Mm.
so true.
Just
Like it's so true
yeah.
because the amount of like the amount I've learned in the amount of the amount of
What
people
were you
I've
gonna say?
met, the stupid people I've met in the past
Yeah.
year is so insane and
Mm-hmm.
of all ages. Of all ages, like right now, I was meeting stupid people of our age.
Now you're saying
I'm
10,
seeing from
5
like who have
years
children, who have both the
were
children,
established in the business for
who
so
think they have
long.
established themselves, who
Yeah.
think they have
They know
they
everything.
know everything because they've read a few articles here and
Mm-hmm.
there, and that they have coached a few brands and they have stopped working mysteriously. Like what crazy? Huh? You
Taking
coach
time for
them.
themselves.
Yeah, and I'm like, we're doing all this homework, and we would go to this like brand meeting, and this guy would just say stuff like, "I don't get it." A guy wearing a checks button shirt with like a tight skinny jeans is telling, looking me in the eye and saying, "I don't get it."
Like,
Laurel,
yeah, you clearly
you
don't.
you don't get it. That's the point. Just do your job. Tell
Oh,
us what. Like we're telling you to do something, do it. Don't give
yeah.
me tippany.
Yeah.
So the beginning was very tough.
Mm-hmm.
Investing round also was tough, but then we gave that up. We were like, we'll
Yeah.
bootstrap.
Self.
Yeah.
Mm.
And when I started, yeah, but like too much I've learned as I
Yeah.
should. Like
You
4 years up until then, 4 years of law school was nothing.
th-
It was like
Is
on
it,
paper great, I guess.
do you think then if you were done like a degree in this thing would have been better for you? But you're like, it's
I mean,
fine. You learned
yeah,
on the
it could
job.
have. It could have.
Yeah.
But then I didn't have that interest back then.
Back
Like
then.
I
Yeah.
had no like I would have hated myself to a point where by the time I reached whatever year of fashion designing school there is, I wouldn't have never started a brand. I would
Mm-hmm.
have been like, this is not fun.
Yeah.
While now when I'm doing boring or law,
Yeah.
I can finally go and
Yeah.
work
It's
on my
like a good
brand.
release. Like it's like a good
Yeah.
different change of scenery. But you guys
Yeah.
do this interesting thing. You have your collections are all based on one cocktail basically, right?
Yeah.
First one was
Martini.
martini.
Yeah. And like yeah. Like when like how I said, like when we started the brand, it was all like, oh, what do we like?
Yeah.
Like even when we were brainstorming for like what the brand should be,
Mm-hmm.
I remembered like Simran, the girl that I do my share my brand with,
Mm-hmm.
she like we were at like a random bar
Mm-hmm.
having some random alcohol
Yeah.
as we always do,
Yes.
and we were like we were having mai tai, okay, this
Mm-hmm.
cocktail. And we were like, ooh, and then we got a little tipsy, and then I
Right.
went home,
Mhm.
and then I was like,
You know
yo,
what?
what's
You know
if? What
what?
if? What if? Hear me out. That color of the mai tai was so good. It
Yeah.
was so yummy. What if we just name each collection be like after
After
a
a
cocktail?
cocktail.
I'm like, it would be sick because it would like it's clothes we like to make.
Mm-hmm.
Cocktails is something everyone
Enjoy.
enjoys, and we didn't want to make it seasonal based clothing or
Yeah.
like, oh, you should, or like an aesthetic based. Like it was
Yeah.
just kind of like, we know cocktails, we know
You know
clothes,
clothes, and
so
you just
let's
put them
just,
together.
yeah, and you can easily create a, like when you think of your branding and you think of like how the clothes should be,
Yeah.
if you have some sort of like vision, you can tie the nature of the
Yeah,
cocktail
you
to
make
the
it work.
cloth ka vibe.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so
Which
that's
is the new one that's coming out? You have another?
yeah, we, I think this month,
Yeah.
July.
You're already
Yeah,
in the process.
yeah, we got the fabrics, we're getting it stitched next week. But it's like the colors are again what, like they're like stripes, like
Mm-hmm.
classic stripes. They're not,
Right.
they can be staples, but they're also like with a lot of color in them,
Yeah.
like browns, linen. So like
Mm-hmm.
just imagine you're in like Rome, but you're like the but you're like Santorini or
Yeah,
something.
just
But you're not,
vacationing in the
yeah,
summer.
yeah.
Yeah.
But you're not like a teenager there. You're
Uh-huh.
like a businesswoman. You're like in your
Ah.
you've entered your 30s.
Right.
The mentality, of course, I'm saying what I'm saying.
Yeah. You're just like you're established in life, you know what you're doing, and you're
Yeah, so
just
yeah, you
having a
wanna
good
wear
time
your
there.
timeless staples
Mm-hmm.
or like
And
very sophisticated, elevated basics,
yeah.
you know. So it's called GNT because GNT is like
Mm-hmm.
kind of a serious drink, but also kind of fun because it,
Yeah. It depends on which setting. You can have it at a
yeah,
business event, you can have it when you're having
like a
fun as
vodka, so
well.
like how I see it, a vodka soda is what a teenager would have
For sure.
because,
Yeah. Been
but
there. Mm.
no one's going back there also. So
Yeah.
yeah, that's, it's just like fun, yeah. You
Yeah.
can just brainstorm, and it doesn't sound cliche also. Like
Mm-hmm.
otherwise, we have to name the collection like Under the Sun or like
I was actually surprised no one had ever used this idea before.
crazy, right? When it came to me, I was like, when you've come up with some thought and you're like, nah, I
This
bet you,
probably
and someone tells
done.
you that, like, oh, I heard it in that vlog, or like, oh,
Yeah.
I'm like, okay, shit. But this, I was waiting for someone to be like
Yeah.
I went talking and yapping to everyone about this idea that I have,
Yeah. Just
and
waiting to be shot
yeah, like
down.
waiting to be like, yeah, I heard this one brand. No one till date has said it. So
Gold. You hit gold.
yes, and yeah, which is kind of embarrassing for others, if I'm being honest.
You should
Like
be
it's not that
happy. You
crazy
should
of
be
an idea. It's not that crazy of an idea.
You are. You're to underestimate.
And that's why the brand is called Guest List also. Like it ties
What?
it. That's why the brand is called Guest List, right?
Right?
Because when you enter a club, where do you go
Mm-hmm.
to drink? Like you go to bars, you call
Yeah.
your guest list and enter.
Exactly.
And even if there isn't, at this club there is.
There is.
Because
We're making it happen.
and this time we're coming up with men's collection.
Yeah,
A lot of new things.
I heard it around the rumor mill. Yeah, I heard.
Because like, bro, but yeah, the brand's doing well.
Mm-hmm.
And like the feedback we keep getting is that it's like I love,
Like they want more. Everyone
yeah, they
wants
want
more.
one. Like the clothes we make are somewhere you won't
And
find.
you actually like you see this going like into the future
Yeah.
that you do
Yeah, of
want to
course.
stick with it and
Of course. I don't
Right.
think the aim is to make this a main lifestyle.
mm-hmm.
Like I don't have to do anything except this.
accept this.
But
okay.
for now, it is a passion project.
Okay.
But
Mhm.
the aim is to make it a main.
I mean, you guys have been very consistent. Like the last thing was also like last collection was 3 months or 4 months ago.
Yeah, it's, we launched November. So how many months has it been? 8 months?
Yeah.
No, eight, 9
Yeah.
months. And we've launched 3 collections.
Yeah.
That's once every 3, 4 months.
Yeah. Once every 3-4 months. Got it. But yeah, you guys seem pretty consistent.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. What else do I do? What else is on my resume?
What else?
Nothing enough.
I think this is so much already.
Now
more
next
than me.
actor.
Well, you at least.
I'll be the typical actor model. What was it? Whose bios everyone like actor model businesswoman.
What?
Everyone in Mumbai has that tagline.
Really?
Actor model businesswoman.
I mean, you might as well make
entrepreneur.
it.
Sorry, entrepreneur. Actor model entrepreneur.
You might as well make it. Can I say that
Beauty
you're
guru.
going?
Hmm?
Can I say that you're going?
Touchwood, I'm going.
Yeah.
Say
Bomb.
every time with touchwood. Then it's fine to say. I have to be in Mumbai at all costs.
Yeah.
Um,
So where anyone, whether it's your influencer gig or your business gig or I guess laws, everything is gonna be better there only.
yeah, what is good in Pune? Not even the schools.
You were telling me about you're gonna tell me a story like what happened
Oh, okay,
out on
okay.
the
I'll
match
tell.
night.
Yeah, right. Oh my god, the match was great.
Insane. I'm telling you, it's
Match was
scripted. It
great.
has to be
No, no,
scripted.
it's not scripted. But in the beginning, I had this feeling like second inning, like they were hitting,
Yeah.
and we were like, and the end, the gap was too less. Like it was
Yeah.
like it's a finals. Any
Anyone's.
team is gonna hit this.
Yeah.
But then we had the inside cuff like voice telling it's gonna be one of those matches where India shines. Like it's gonna be like that, like they're going to make it
Like this
very
is they're gonna give it everything.
yeah,
They've
yeah.
already been through it once and they
exactly,
bottled it. They can't
And it-
afford to do
and
this.
it happened.
Yeah.
And amazing match. But I think this is the first time I've gone out
Mm-hmm.
to watch a match, a big match,
Mm-hmm.
and I don't recommend it at all. Like because I that night.
Mm-hmm.
So lately I've not been drinking. There 2 years ago I used to drink every other second day and like drink as in like all out.
Mm-hmm.
So with every year it's progressively gone less and lesser.
Mhm.
But there'll be like that one odd night where you screw up and someone pushes you and then it's a long ass
one
night
too
and you
many.
keep drinking because you want some sort of liquid whatever in you. Yeah, so
Right.
that was one of those nights. And the
Uh-huh.
match only made
It
it.
just keeps going. It
Oh,
just keeps going.
It just yeah. So I started and I entered one bar.
Mm-hmm.
Bar number 1. Went first innings
Mm-hmm.
and I entered. It was like 23 for 2 and India was batting and
Yeah.
everyone's like just pin drop silence. Like I
Yeah.
entered with such vigor because
Like,
I
let's
was in
party,
the rickshaw.
guys.
I had no idea what the score is. When I left, toss chal raha tha.
Yeah.
And then when I reached, everyone's like
just dead silent.
dead silence.
Yeah.
And Pune is already dead silent right now. So even more so. And I was like, what now? What happened now?
I
Like,
said,
what
don't move. Yo
And I was
jayega.
like, hi guys. Like, okay, everyone's
Uh-huh.
just like, so I just shut up for like a bit.
It's fine. Yeah. Just sneak
And
in.
then I had like a few drinks.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, no. I left the house having whiskey. Okay, because that's
Uh-huh.
what I had at home.
Mm-hmm.
Reached the
Yeah,
bar.
of course.
Reached the bar. Had beer over there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sports drink.
Then stayed there for the whole first inning.
Mm-hmm.
Then I left that bar and I went to another bar.
Mm-hmm.
Right, like in that area.
Mm-hmm.
Went to another bar and I was just gonna drop in, say hi to that set of friends and
Mhm.
leave to the house party.
Right.
But when I entered, they were like, "Oh, there's a cover charge of like 1,000."
Okay.
So I was like, "Okay,
it's fine.
it's
like,
fine." But then I had to drink also worth 1,000 inside.
Yeah.
So I had to have 2 sangrias inside,
Mhm.
and I'm a
Just had-
slow drinker.
Mm-hmm.
So the entire second inning I spent there
Mm-hmm.
when I had to just stay there for 5-10 minutes.
So 2 drinks went for the whole innings.
Yeah. No,
Yeah.
2-3 sangrias.
Okay.
But I had to have 2 at least.
Uh-huh.
And then they gave us like compliment when India won. They gave us complimentary some shots or something.
Mhm.
And then I met some random friend from 2nd grade
Oh.
at the bar, and he gave me a Jaeger bomb.
Oh, there we go.
And then and I haven't had Jaeger bomb in so many months. And whenever I do, it's always when I haven't had alcohol much. And then I have that to rush me to my bed. This was not needed on this night. I was
Oh,
already
shit.
loopy.
Yeah.
Loopy gone.
Yeah.
And then I went to the house party.
After the match?
Yeah, after like what 12:30.
Yeah.
Went and
There was
no,
no
I had a-
stopping you.
I had a fight with a guy for half an hour, and
Huh?
then I went to the house party at 1
Oh.
in a
well-
rickshaw. So drunk.
Oh,
And then I
shit.
went, reached, and this house is far, not in the same area. And I went, and then they made me drink carbo.
Oh.
And in midst of all of this, at that second bar, I got my period also.
Oh, shit. Just gets better and better.
Like I literally Zeptoed the shit.
Oh, shit. You didn't have
And-
anyone you could reach out to?
No,
in
no, I
the-
had to Zepto. So I was
Yeah.
not okay at all. Even if I was in bed and not gone out, I would have been
You
really
just
bad.
die.
So this is just crazy night.
Yeah.
And then I reached the house party. I had carbo, and then they're ordering ice cream, and then I had alcohol for the next 3 hours. You know, at the house party, you just
You
drink
just
whatever
done.
you
Yeah,
see.
you keep having until
just
you
drink
need
whatever's
something in
fun.
your hand.
Yeah, you just drink. And then I got in a fight over there with all 3 people. Yeah,
Why?
because we were talking about how is cheating bad than assault? How is cheating
Worse than assault.
No, how is assault worse than cheating? Like,
Well,
would you defend a friend who has assaulted or who has cheated? Who would you defend?
the- oh shit.
No, exactly, whatever. So we had that whole conversation drunk
Oh,
an
every
and
emotions running
with
high.
a group of people that I've never met.
Mm-hmm.
And I went home at 5.
Stood your ground
And
till.
not just that, at 4 a.m., some guy was telling me, "Oh, do you want to come over to another to a place so far from where I was at some farmhouse?" And I was like, "Yeah."
You what? You would.
I was like, "Yeah, of course, why not?" But then that got canned. I
Thank
don't
God.
remember the reason, but something like even he was leaving from there or like whatever.
Would you have
And
actually gone?
I said, yeah, okay. And I was like, I'm going, guys. I'll book an Uber, I'll go. And
Oh,
everyone's like, no,
wow.
I'll drop you, stuff. But anyway, so my friend dropped me home and we were there down talking for another half an hour about
Oh
life.
my.
And then I reached home at 5:30. And then
Good morning.
I woke up at 4 p.m. So that was a really bad night. And I've recovered just maybe today morning.
just now.
Just maybe.
After everything you've told me, that actually doesn't sound very
And this
surprising.
guy had told me on Sunday morning, a podcast, let's record. And I
How
told
was-
him, match a Saturday night. And he's like, yeah, so Sunday. And I'm like, but I just knew.
You could have gone home at 12:30. I
I
didn't have
could
a
have
house
done, I
party
could have
and
done a
everything.
lot many things. But this was something in the air where it just made me keep going.
Yeah.
I just had to keep going.
Wow.
And that hasn't happened in maybe more than a year. India should win more often.
But the thing is, I was barely following the thing. I didn't know it was going to be as huge in the end.
It was.
Like the streets and all were filled.
Because you weren't there last year, right? When they lost.
No.
Yeah, that was a
no.
big thing when they lost in
There were
Ahmedabad.
people like rioting and all.
I don't know about physically outside, but
But yeah, it was an upsetting day.
yeah,
for
I
everyone.
thought, bro, it was people went all the way to Ahmedabad to watch the match because it was such a crucial match, and they lost.
Yeah, it was like,
And India was doing so well for like the whole tournament.
which was the same thing this time around as well. They were undefeated until
Australia was
final, yeah.
undefeated, yeah.
everyone was like,
Yeah.
okay. And I noticed the same colors as well, like similar green and yellow only. And I was like, this doesn't look like a
But what
good
a match,
omen.
bro.
Yeah. I actually felt patriotic after a very long time. I didn't, because I hadn't followed the entire match, like the entire series. And okay, it's a final. I guess we'll watch it. And then by the end, obviously till the last ball it was going, so
Yeah.
all of us were.
Same, even I don't think I followed as such. But
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, Pune is also done with alcohol in general. And
Yeah.
we are with this podcast as well. Thank you so much for joining me on the road, Akshita.
Great. It was great coming here. Right?
Yeah, come again if you feel like it.
Okay, I'll come.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye bye.